Hello, Facebook friends. Hey, Jeff Larson here, sales manager at Billion Toyota here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And we're really excited about the upcoming Big Brothers, Big Sisters Over the Edge event going to be happening on July 27th. And all proceeds that are raised from the event, of course, go to help the children within our community. In honor of this, we're giving one lucky adrenaline junkie a prize pack along with a chance to rappel down the 90-foot Raven building. What can you expect? Well, let's take a look. So don't miss out on this rare opportunity. Enter your chance to win at Billion Auto-Toyota of Sioux Falls Facebook page today. And as always, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon.